Hello friend, how are you all? Today I will discuss the final step of student fee management in Excel. Also, I will share the final copy of student fee management in Excel with you. I will tell everyone before that those who have not subscribed to my channel, they please subscribe my channel. Few code will be discussed in today's tutorial. This particular download link is given in the description. Download now. So let's start. In the calendar user form, the user form opens. Select the active method. Enter the following code. User form 1. Go to the code window. Enter the following code. me.text 15.visible false. Add financial year 2024-25 date year. This format for FY year date 10 to year date plus 10. me.text2.add item FY and invitation code and write FY, 2 plus 1. Multipage 1 value dot value multipage 1 dot value is equal to 0. This project run. Add student registration details, automatically registration ID, financial year, class 3, date of birth, parents details, email, address, Fee details: admission fee 1000, activity fee 500, annual fee 500, tuition fee 1000, transport fee 200. Add photo. And save. View column: registration ID, financing, class, student, father's name, address, contact, email, date of birth, admission fee, activity fee, annual fee, tuition fee, transport fee, and column view. Okay. Add button. Back. Double click and add button. Today amount 4000 P1 and save. Okay, this print. Click print button. Already save this file. And close. Opening D drive and receipt PDF file. Double click to open and view. Receipt number 1, student ID, session, student name, class 3, total amount 4000, balance only 400. Student copy and school copy. Hope you learned something and you try to create new software in a new way. Thanks everyone.